Watch out, coming through.
Oh, hi. I don't even know what this is.
Trick or treat. Maybe Mr. Something's got one.
That sounds so serious.
Oh, we're starting right?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you just tell me what to do, or is there an intro, or what happens?
Go ahead and open up the letter.
I'm breaking the seal now.
This is like the stamp Gandalf does on the letter to Bilbo.
Tell the scariest story.
Using this flashlight and the materials in your classroom.
The last sentence of the story must be sung.
Or you will be disqualified.
You have 5 minutes to prepare and 1 minute to tell your story.
Scariest story wins.
Your time starts now.
Oh, people, this is bad. You're asking a math teacher to be creative.
Let's see. Scariest story.
I'm thinking about a murder.
I'm thinking about my last line I have to sing.
You should know that in 5th grade, I was the only girl in my class who did not make the chorus.
Wow, that's really morbid.
Oh, you have the time up for me. Thank you.
I have some weaponry.
Wait, there might be a trick in here that I can opt out.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, I got an idea here.
Okay. I can move around, right?
There's going to be a lot of movement in my story. Get ready.
The friendly disposition is all just a cover.
I'm a movement person.
Oh, scary story. I have no scary story. If you said funny story, I would have gotten that. Grossest?
Oh wait, I'm giving it a title.
Okay.
I don't know if it's an appropriate story to share.
Come this way. It was a dark, scary, ominous night, and we were in the harbor in Baltimore. Fort McHenry was being bombarded by the dreadest British. Myself and President Madison knew the nation was in danger. Alas, as the sun was going down, we didn't think it would survive. What would be the fate of Old Glory? At dawn, we awoke. The harbor, it was foggy. And there, in the midst, you could see it. The bombs had been bursting in air. But oh, our flag was still there.
The last human being on Earth sat inside. Then there was a knock at the door. The end.
It was late on Halloween. A victim has been found dead in Le Placard. Was it Princess Leia with the umbrella? Che with the kite string? The Panther with the pétanque ball? Only Detective Kermit can say for sure. But oh no, something has happened to Kermit. It's not easy being green.
This is a rather odd story. Many, many years ago, before any of you were born, I had a student in my class that will remain nameless. A little quirky, shall we say, a little quirky student. One day in class, my students raised their hand and they said to me, Ms. McManus, please go look at student X, we'll say, in the back of the room. And I went back to the class to find student X. He had his arm out of his shirt, I mean literally out of his shirt, and he was braiding his armpit hair. I found that rather scary / disturbing. That is the end of my story.